If you want to bring up the grid whilst you're editing on Squarespace and you want to keep it there so you can align things visually, then you can do it so easily. It's a simple keyboard shortcut, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. In your website editor, so find the page. Let's say we want to edit the services page. Just click edit, and let's say I want to make sure this is aligned 2 grid spaces. Now let's say 4 grid spaces away from this image. All I need to do is click G on my keyboard. Now I remember when someone first told me about this and I made a video on it. And they said, oh, you have to do Shift and G. So I pressed Shift and G. And I was like, oh, that works. That's amazing. I didn't realize you didn't even have to press Shift. So I made this video and I was like, oh, guys, you can click Shift and G and it will bring up this grid. And then the amount of flack I copped for it, oh, you only have to press G. I was like, right. So I've had this in my arsenal, ready to re-record, and now you're watching it in real time. So no grid, all it takes is G. So we'll keep it up, and now you can see, okay, I click this block here, and I hover over this block here, and I can see between those blocks is 2 grid spaces. So let's say I want to shrink it down. 1 grid space, 2 grid spaces, and now we've got 4 grid spaces. If I then want to align this with this, okay, well, we can see the grid spaces here. Great. We now know how to align our grid spaces and our blocks within there really, really easy. Once you're happy with that, hit save. Maybe you want to check it out on mobile, so click mobile view, click G, and you can see the mobile grid gets brought up here. And again, maybe we want this 2 away instead of 1. Really, really easy to place. Now, once you're happy with that, again, hit save and you're good to go. Hopefully you found that useful. No need to Shift and G this time, just click G. If you did find it useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, then you can get in touch using the links in the description.